Okay guys, one of my top questions that I get is what can we actually fit inside this luggage? You guys love the luggage, I love the luggage. I'm going to show you today what my toddler, well I guess she's not a toddler anymore, my preschooler, 4-year-old daughter can fit inside of her JetKids luggage. So first thing is she is kind of aged out of the actual bed feature, so that's no longer in here, which gives us more space. I have in here 2 travel cubes. Both are packed really for a 5 to 7 day trip. I have a denim jacket, a pair of sandals, she'll wear sneakers on the flight, 3 dresses, a sweatshirt, jeans, pants, 2 swimsuits, bathing pajamas, socks, everything in these 2 travel cubes. Getting the right size travel cube obviously helps your cause. And first thing that's going to go in there is the 2 travel cubes. Okay, got that. Now you look at this and go, there's no more space, but there is. So onboard entertainment is what I'm looking at next. I always grab one kind of puzzle coloring book thing for her. 2 look and find books. One has a storyline, and then Where's Waldo? I mean, they could look at that forever. And then these are going to go on the side, so they're easily accessible. She can reach them without having to take out the travel cubes, but if she needed to take them out, she could, and it wouldn't make a mess of all of her clothes. So those I'm going to shove in there as well. Get that organized. And then the next thing she's going to need or want is, I just have a little zippy bag filled with the Crayola twistables. I do those so I don't have to worry about sharpening them. And those can fit over on the side. Again, easily accessible for her. She doesn't have to take her actual clothing out to get to this stuff. Empty water bottle that I'll fill up after we get through TSA, security screenings. That fits on the side as well. And then her own little pouch of snacks for the onboard flight. Then on the top part of the lid, on the inside of it, is 2 things. One is the new JetKids blanket, which I'm so excited about. I'll show more of that later, but in a nutshell, it's awesome. So each of the kids has one of those, and they fit nicely right inside the top of the lid, so easily accessible without her having to open up the entire suitcase. And then the other thing I put on the top lid is just her own little zippy of toys. So the most important thing is when you're packing a bag like this, or really any suitcase, is to use travel cubes or little bags to help keep everything sorted and separated. That way when they want to take something out, not everything falls out. And that is what you can fit in a bag. Thanks guys.